I know that you're very proud to be Tibetan. I've seen you holding up the Tibetan flags at your fights, which is great to see. How has being Tibetan affected you both on a personal level and also when it comes to your MMA career?
Yeah, so I'm very proud of being a Tibetan person. I was born in London, but I'm lucky enough to have been to Tibet when I was young. I was there for a little while, and I experienced so much of the people and the culture. Um, and it's such a difficult place to be, and I don't want to speak too much about my journey there because it was quite difficult. Um, but there are a lot of Tibetans struggling right now in Tibet, and also there are a lot of Tibetans internationally that fight, and they do very well in MMA. Um, Sorry, I was a little distracted. um, but yeah, so like I was saying, there are a lot of Tibetans that fight MMA internationally. They're very good, but unfortunately for them, they are unable to represent Tibet. They can't carry the flag. They can't even compete under their own names. You know, their names are changed. They have to put on these personas, these Chinese kind of personas and represent China. I'm very, very fortunate that I'm kind of able to represent Tibet, carry my own name, carry my own flag. Um, and the British community, the people of London, the people of England, and also the Tibetan community in England, they've all supported me massively through this, and I really appreciate that.